Well, here we are on day number 3 of camp setup at Tshokwane River Camp for the 2026 season. As you can see and hear around me, it is raining. It has been raining almost every single day since we got here, which is making it interesting. But work continues and we carry on. One of the interesting things I always find when guests visit Kruger Untamed camps is the concept of a vanishing camp, or a temporary camp. I explain to guests that everything they see gets removed every single season, and then we rebuild everything the next year. And kind of look at me with a bit of surprise and, but surely you leave the tents, or surely you leave that, or surely you leave that. And no, absolutely everything that you see is removed off site. And this allows nature to come back during the off season, during the summer periods. We get a lot of wildlife movement through this area, and the vegetation comes back incredibly well, and especially this year with regards to all the rain we've had. And this is just a prime example. I'm walking down here along one of our guests' pathways to the tents. This is a major pathway from last year. And eventually you're going to see here that it disappears. This still carries on for another 60, 70 meters up ahead of us, but it is completely gone. And this is nature coming back, nature reclaiming the area. And so I'm actually having to dodge big elephant tracks in the ground here. And just an example, over there, that used to be a tent site. And you would be hard put to actually identify that a tent used to be there. So again, Kruger Untamed, making sure that the environment isn't damaged, that everything comes back to normal again, and then we just utilize it for a small period of time to expose guests to the wonders of this area. And hopefully this rain will stop soon. The rivers are starting to get swollen again, and we are making a plan. It looks like we are probably going to get cut off, but I'm going to go down and have a look at the river crossing in the next hour, and then we're going to check from there. We'll keep you updated.